In the exciting world of Forex trading, understanding how to draw trend lines can make a significant difference in your profits. Trend lines help you identify the direction in which a currency pair is moving, allowing you to make more informed decisions and potentially increase your earnings. To draw a trend line, start by identifying the highs and lows on a price chart. Highs are the points where the currency pair reaches its peak, while lows are the lowest points it reaches. Connect these highs and lows with a straight line, and you have your trend line. If the line slants upward, it indicates an uptrend, suggesting that the currency pair's value is increasing over time. Conversely, a downward sloping line signals a downtrend, meaning the value is decreasing. One of the key benefits of using trend lines is their ability to act as a guide for making trading decisions. When prices approach a trend line during an uptrend, it might be a good time to buy, as there is a higher chance that the currency pair's value will continue to rise. On the other hand, during a downtrend, when prices approach the trend line, it could be an opportunity to sell, anticipating further declines. Trend lines also help traders identify potential trend reversals. If the price breaks through the trend line, it may signal a change in direction. For example, if a currency pair has been in an uptrend and the price falls below the trend line, it could indicate a shift to a downtrend. This information is valuable for traders looking to adapt their strategies and maximize profits. It's essential to remember that drawing trend lines requires patience and practice. Not every line will be perfect, and sometimes prices may temporarily break through the line before resuming their trend. Therefore, it's crucial to use trend lines in conjunction with other indicators and tools to make well-rounded trading decisions. Remember, mastering the skill of drawing trend lines can enhance your success in Forex trading. By identifying trends and potential reversals, you can make more informed decisions, ultimately increasing your chances of making profitable trades. Take the time to practice drawing trend lines on different charts and currency pairs, and soon you'll find yourself navigating the Forex market with greater confidence and profitability.